Hello guys, welcome to cgeeks. Today our topic is top 6 networking commands for everyone. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So guys, these are 6 basic commands which are used in networks. Through these commands, you can easily find out your IP networks, gateways, and you can troubleshoot your networks. So the first command is ipconfig, then ping, then tracert, netstat, nslookup, flushdns. All these commands works in MS-DOS. So we are going to open MS-DOS. Search cmd, then right click and run as administrator. Click yes. So here we will apply these commands. ipconfig. This command tells about each and every detail of your IP, gateways, networks, routes. Let's show you how it works. So all adapters and networks detail with IPs. So this is working by Wi-Fi adapter working, IP4 address, subnet mask, default gateway, all the relative information is here. You can go for more detail. So now comprehensive and complete detail of your networks and IPs is here. So second command is ping. Ping is a universal command to check the response of any IP, gateway, router or any server. So we will use ping. You can use your own IP on this ping command. We will use universal Google server IP. This one. Now the reply OK. It means that server is replying on that specific in time. So this is the ping. Then tracert IP. You can trace the route of any IP, server or networks or gateways. So we will trace the route of tracert, same Google server. So this is a tracing route for DNS Google. The first route from your network, now searching for gateways and remote connections like this one. In this way you can find out the all routes between your IP and the specific DNS server. Some response can be timed out because of delay in response. So in this way you can trace that. I will discontinue here. Next command is netstat. You can check the status of your network with this command. So this is the network status here. This is the protocol, then your local IP and foreign addresses. of your devices and the status of that network, established or de-established. In this way, you can find out the whole status of your network. So the next command is nslookup. Let's have a look for nslookup. This is for network server lookup. The default server is Huawei. This is my server and the address from this specific server is this one. So you can find out the network server and default address of your PC or any device. So flushdns is a very basic command to erase all IPs and all data in your DNS server. For this purpose, first of all you need to release all IPs in this specific server. This will release all IPs with the release command. Then you need to remove all IPs and addresses. So this has been removed all my IPs. Then perfectly you can use the flushdns command to remove all caches in your DNS server. So this is the Windows IP configuration message and successfully flushed the DNS cache. You can also use flushdns command directly without releasing or removing IPs like flushdns here. This is also work, but the perfect way is to use with release and remove commands. So guys, with the help of these 6 basic networking commands, you can check your routes, you can check the response of networks, IP, you can check your network server, DNS servers, and even you can troubleshoot your basic network problems easily. Thanks guys for watching and learning.